Hey, it's Mark Hester, and looking at starting a quick series here this month for Veterans Month on VA home loan tips, tricks, and some of the programs that are out there that are unique to the VA home loan program. So, the first one we're going to start talking about is a renovation loan that we've got for the VA program. So the cool thing about a VA home loan is that you can do 100% financing. In the past, there'd be some renovation loans, but there was no way to do it without putting some money down. But at our company here, we got a great program where you can do your 100% financing and get up to $50,000 worth of renovations to add to your home. So what kind of renovations can you do? Well, let's just say you need a new furnace, new gutters, okay, siding, a roof, carpeting, all those kind of things. They can all add up to $50,000, and you can make that house your home. So think about it. Maybe you've been out looking at houses and you find some that you really like, but they're just not the perfect home for you. They're just not right. Well, how do you make it right? Just make some changes and make it brand new for you and make it your home. So if you got any questions on our VA renovation loan where you can get up to $50,000 and 100% financing, give me a call. Take care.